about this morning. Orlando's blue and red. Fucking midges, fuck off.
Fucking midges, fuck
To be fair, I don't care. You know?
I swear to God. I swear to God.
Yeah, the second one, eh?
We have finished camping in the Highlands. Oh fuck, we've got a fucking jump here. Ankle. Drop your shoulders out. True. But it is actually true that it literally is harder walking out, so that's a cool discovery. Fun fact.
It makes you happy.
It does make me happy. Oh. Fucking hell. This is not easy. But yeah, physically it isn't about straining. Although it still puts pressure on your legs, obviously. Logically. Ooh, fucking hell.
Yeah, they are slippy. These ones are slippy.
I just slipped out a bit. Like, I was able to keep my balance. Yeah, true. Alright, mate, just fucking break all the plants whilst you go down. I might smash into the plants just to make myself feel better. Please don't tell me we're dirty.
You record it as well?
Yep. Glad I've got that on camera.
Record it during down.
Downfall. It's not a downfall. I'm just hoping my trousers aren't dirty. They are wet, but they're not dirty. That's G. That's actually G. They're just wet.
Spot.
Yay.
In the end,
The car.
I thought it would get packed there and there'd be a bunch of
It didn't.
overnight. I mean, it's still good that.
Fuck up, not.
Nonce to a man.
What the fuck?
Oh yeah, I need to play that video for Zoe.
What is this?
Which one?
Place.
Zoe, find it.
Fucking hell. Decent view, that. Probably Ben Nevis is in that direction as well. I mean, literally at the Nevis Centre, so it's insane. Currently in Fort William, though.
Okay. And he said there's a big tugboat. That's where we're going.
Yeah, my dad went. My dad came in 1989.
Serious? Yeah.
1909.
Crazy, like my dad, 17 years of age.
36 years ago.
Correct.
You know, I didn't even work it out.
Corpach Marine. Corpach Basin. Or Basin.
Did you shut the door?
I took it out.
This looks class.
Car park here.
Got the solidarity with Ukraine flag. Lined up. They're chilling. Alright, alright. That's on film now. Well done, mate. Well done, mate. I'm gonna post on my story now.
Game's gone.
Crossing the bridge.
Look in the dark. I'd say we're going to the beach now.
Yo, that's actually sick. There's like a slide down there. Ooh. Look at that. Oh, I see the boat. I see the boat.
We get on the boat.
We actually can. Yeah. You can.
It can.
This looks lovely.
I bought gloves.
Yeah, let's watch.
I bought gloves.
This is brilliant, this is. There's some people hiking here. Ooh, you get the views here. Fort William is actually a really nice place.
Is that tugboat you're on about? That's it?
Tugboat.
Gotta get on it. Oh, right.
This is an ancient ass boat. It's got the colours.
That's sturdy. Well, it's not actually. Oh, Orlando's climbing it. Fuckhead, look at him. Knobhead.
Alright.
Alright.
We've managed to climb up.
It's slippery, by the way. Yes, I've put stuff on my story.
Got some barbed wire there, but use that string to pull yourself up. It's a bit fucking tilted, this. Oh my god.
I bet people have camped in it.
In there.
Yeah. Definitely, yeah.
Why am I hearing whistles? That was a match.
He will go right to the very top.
He will go right to the very top, that man.
And look, I've seen him, right, and I'll tell you now.
There's certain language which I can't put on camera here. Feels like Pirates of the Caribbean, this. Oh fuck. Right, let's climb up here. There's a bit there where you can climb up.
No, it's like
Oh, you've gone this way. Well, I've gone this way.
you have to go through the window, but there's a door.
Yeah, you can go in there. Oh wait, oh no, that's destroyed that.
Yeah.
So there's no way to get there.
We don't need to go in.
No, there's no way. No, it's not that deep. But still, we've gone right to the very top. Made it to the other side. This is the steering mechanism. It's mad. The DLs. Jump down. Well, that's nice. It's literally, I can show you what's down there. It's death. Great place to piss, mate.
Oh. That's good.
That's joined the disease down there.
They're probably say what you want.
We have gone right to the very top. You guys right?
Finally.
We have gone right to the very top.